Man, there's never enough cherry ones, huh? How do you, YouTube? Happy Halloween. We had a little bit of a crazy month. My wife broke her leg at the pumpkin patch. Everyone knows the pumpkin patch is a pretty scary place, dangerous. But we persevered. Everybody pitched in a little bit more, and we managed to get these cabinet doors and drawer fronts on our kitchen. Now, I'd love to say to you that our kitchen's done, but it's really only about half done. So, right after I'm done filming this, I'm going to get started on the next part of the kitchen. Phase 2, coming soon to a YouTube near you. Check it out. Doors and drawer fronts.
How to on doors and drawer fronts for kitchen cabinets.
Finishing up our kitchen. Our 1.5 years of open cabinetry is over.
Partially.
Starting up with the milling process here.
So you were just jointing, now you're planing.
Yep.
I can
Getting some
remember this.
flattish boards here.
And what did we use?
Poplar.
Poplar.
Yeah, because we're going to paint it. So
Okay.
poplar's a nice little paint grade wood.
Oh, paint grade. Okay, that makes sense.
Then we cut it down to size and do some dimensioning. We're going for 3/4 inch shaker stiles and rails.
Stiles are vertical?
Oh man, yeah.
Horizontal.
Let's see. Rails are horizontal.
Rails are
Stiles are vertical. Yep.
Really?
Yep. That's
Wow.
100%.
Feels like it should be opposite.
Okay. Sounds good.
Let me write to someone about
I'll
that.
let them know.
Thank
Yep.
you. Appreciate that.
The shakers.
Okay. So you're just
Hey
cutting them down.
guys, you're like the best woodworkers from forever. Your styles have stood the test of time.
My wife has some feedback.
So, Christina was wondering if maybe you could swap rail and style. That'd be great. Here's me struggling with power management in the garage.
That has no power.
Yeah, all you gotta do is run more extension cords.
Yep.
If you got 3 or 4 extension cords, you can definitely run one tool.
Oh, what is this?
This is Cut List Optimizer.
Oh, you like this,
Which
yeah.
is the program that I use online, that it's free, and you type in what kind of dimensions you have for your lumber and what cuts you need, and it spits out a diagram telling you like, hey, cut here, cut there.
So that you use the wood most efficiently.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
Yep.
got it. That was a sad piece of wood.
Yeah, it was warped.
Yeah. What's this?
Oh, this is for cutting the tenons, the mortise and the tenons for the rails and stiles.
Oh,
So that they come
okay.
together in a frame. Yep.
So, like, the male and the females connect.
Sure.
Okay.
I don't know as though anybody's referred to them that way, but makes sense.
I don't know.
Yeah. The innies and the outies.
The innies and the outies. Thank you.
There you
Appreciate that.
go. See, there's an innie.
That's an innie.
It's got a nice groove.
Yep. Good job.
And then you flip a little piece of wood over and you throw a tenon on the end of it.
Okay. What is this machine?
This is a router table.
Oh, okay.
And see, you get a little tenon, and then the tenon slips into the groove.
Perfect.
And you got yourself a frame for a door.
Love it.
Yep. We did the doors first, and then I did all the panels, so drawer fronts and including the panel for the trash drawer. And then the last thing that we did was the slab drawer fronts for our upper drawers, because we went with shaker drawers on all of our lower drawers, but then on our upper drawers right next to the countertop, we went with a slab drawer front.
Yeah, like a flat, fully flat instead of shaker style.
You guys will see in a minute.
MDF. You're
Yes.
usually not a fan of MDF. Why are you using it in this application?
So in this case, it works because it's not going to off-gas. You're going to paint it,
Okay.
and you're going to entomb it. And also because you're painting it, it's kind of silly to use like a really nice like veneered plywood when, again, you're just painting over it.
So you don't like MDF because it off gases?
Yeah, one of the reasons.
Okay. And then you were just upset there because you only have 6 clamps, correct?
Yeah, so I can only glue up one door at a time.
Okay.
But actually I came up with a workaround for that. I ended up using some super long clamps that I had.
Oh.
And yeah.
Look at you,
So
little
all was
problem
not
solver.
lost. Yeah, no big deal. All woodworking is problem solving.
There's the innies and the outies.
Innies and the outies.
And you're
connect
putting
them
them
together
together.
like Legos.
Okay.
See, and then you got a door.
Then you got a door.
You wipe up your glue, your little squeeze out there.
And you're using Elmer's, some of the girls' Elmer's glue.
Yeah, I'm just using elementary school glue, white paste, totally non-toxic and edible.
That's why they're falling apart.
I'm using Type Bond
Just
3,
kidding.
and it has a very long open time, which means it doesn't get super hard like concrete super fast on you. So you don't get too stressed out when you're gluing things up.
Okay. What is this?
So now I'm ripping down the 4x8 half-inch MDF panel. So this is for the drawer fronts and the trash panel, and yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Now the reason why you use a half-inch here as opposed to the 1/4 inch is because this panel doesn't slip inside, creating a shaker groove on the front and the back.
Okay.
Rather, this panel, it slides in, and the back of the panel actually aligns with the back frame of the rails and stiles. I know that's a little bit
having
tricky.
trouble
Yeah,
visualizing.
you'll see in a minute.
I forgot that this happened.
Yeah, I made these a
Your
little
math
big.
situation.
Yep. But through the magic of YouTube and the interwebs, look at that. Boom.
You fixed
they're
it
fixed.
immediately.
Yep.
Oh, that was devastating.
All I had to do was go through a bunch of sketchy woodworking technique that I didn't want to film. Don't do
Forgot
that at
about
home,
that.
folks.
Well, thank goodness you didn't film it, so we don't know what happened.
Who knows? It was magic.
Okay, and then what is this? You're just sanding?
That was sanding, and now I'm marking out to drill the holes for the hinges. We've got those European
Yes.
hidden hinges.
Yep.
It's like a full overlay that we did
Yep.
on these. And this jig that Craig has is incredible. It lays out exactly where that hole goes, has a depth stop for it so that the hinge fits in there perfectly. And it even has there it is. It even has 2 little holes and this tiny little drill bit to drill out pilot holes for where you put your hardware.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so you don't have any tear out.
That's
You know,
a pretty
it's-
little
It's
setup.
it's a fantastic jig. I actually used like 3 or 4 Craig jigs for this process. It was unbelievable. They have some of the best cabinet installing jigs and hardware and clamps.
We are currently not sponsored by
No,
Craig.
not sponsored. Sincerely, just really love their stuff for installing cabinet.
I am open to receiving sponsorship from
Oh
Craig.
yeah, hey, bring it, folks.
Okay, there you go.
This is a technique that I actually found a video on YouTube that was fantastic, and I wish I could remember. It was so long ago
Okay.
that I found this video, where they recommended that you take an offcut of one of your stiles
Okay.
and drill your hole and install the hinge as if it were actually a door, and then take that and install it in the cabinet. And then what you've done by installing it in the cabinet is you've actually marked the precise location where your door is going to sit. So when you're done installing the test piece, you can literally just pull it out, take your door, and clip it right in to the location that this test jig has marked out and laid out for you.
That sounds cool.
It's a super easy, stress-free way. Everything about these doors and drawers, it is how can I
so now
reduce
you're
stress?
just going to take that end that says test
Yeah,
and
exactly.
you're going to,
Yep.
wow,
Yep.
that's very nice.
Just pull that out,
Yep,
put the door right in its place.
yep,
And the holes are already drilled,
they're there.
and
Yep,
everything's perfect already.
very cool.
Yep.
Awesome.
I used a manual screwdriver on a lot of these because I just didn't want to plow through. But then I ended up taking my drill, turning it down to the first level, so it was a little bit softer, and it was fine. It was no
Okay.
big deal at all. So
My manual screwdriver. Oh,
Yeah,
look at that
you're-
soft
you're-
close.
yeah,
So pretty.
isn't that nice?
It's very helpful for those of us who like a good slam.
Yeah.
Me and Izzy like a good
you
slam.
and our youngest, yeah, who have been known to slam a
Make
door
sure
or
that
two.
things are closed properly.
Sure. Yeah.
Look at
That's
this.
it.
That's beautiful.
They all line up.
Oh,
And look at that. We got doors.
oh, so nice.
1.5 year open cabinetry solved in one afternoon.
Excellent. What are you doing now?
So now
No one can tell.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, the shot here behind the router table like this, it's not great. But the thing is I tried shooting from the other side, so like to my side, and my arm just blocks the camera the whole time.
Okay.
Because, my big, massive arms.
You gotta figure out a solution about that.
So, yeah.
Okay, now you're cutting, I'm guessing, the drawer
This
fronts.
is the 1/2 inch, These are the panels for the drawer fronts.
Okay.
The trash drawer, and then the 2, or the 4, I should say, large drawers.
Temperature in the garage update?
It started to get hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was getting pretty spicy out there.
I do recall.
So what I'm doing here now is instead of cutting a groove, I'm cutting a rabbet on this panel.
What's a rabbet?
A rabbet is a type of groove where, and that's pretty challenging to, I'll just show you in the picture here in a minute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Trying to describe that.
There it is. See? Look at that. So you're going to see in a minute when I put the panel together. Oh, the old rigide.
Oh my gosh.
Here's the panel coming together. It's actually flat on the back. So in the front, it has the shaker detail. The panel in the middle is recessed from the rails and the stiles, right? But on the back, see, there's the front.
Okay.
But on the back, it's fully flat.
Okay.
And this is so that when you install it on a drawer box, that they can touch. They can contact one another.
Okay.
And you can drill right through, and you don't have like a hollow void in the middle like you would if you were only using a 1/4 inch floating panel of MDF. I hope that makes sense. It's very key.
Yeah.
Sure. Great.
I'm going to go with it.
Maybe the folks at home will know what I'm talking about.
Probably.
Yeah.
They're much smarter than I am.
Or they'll just trust me and be like, Evan's doing this, right? He's not leading us astray here. Huh? He knows it. He's been woodworking for what? Months? I mean, pretty much a pro. Babe.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
YouTube.
So there's our panels for the big drawers.
Correct.
And now we have to install them. So in order to do that, the thing to do here is to mark your spot where you're planning on sending the screw through, the hardware.
Okay.
And when you do that, run the screw through so that it actually pops out the other side and creates a point.
Is there a special place where you want to put that, or no? It
Not
doesn't
in
matter.
particular.
Okay.
No, I think I measured like 1.5 inches from the side and 1.5 inches from the top, and I did that 4 times.
So it's just
so I just kind of squared them off, but from inside. So here I'm putting one of the panels on, right? I'm using my spacers.
Yep.
I've got the screws poking through the drawer box, and what I'm doing here is I'm just applying enough pressure on this panel that when I take the panel off, it'll leave the marks from the screws in the drawer box that are poking through. You'll see in a minute here. There's the screws poking through.
Yep.
And here are the marks left on the panel.
Okay.
That make it so that I can then align it perfectly for the assembly. So now I'm using, again, Craig, awesome little clamps that they have.
Thanks, Craig.
That keep the panel in place. And what I do is I'm feeling for where the screws are sticking out, and I just get the panel positioned so that it falls right into the little divot that I made previously.
With the screws.
Yep, and then I can just screw them right in.
That's really smart. Who taught you that?
Ooh, probably another internet one.
Oh.
It was like half something I saw on the internet and half I kind of worked out on my own on that one.
Okay.
Because I've seen where other people use like dowel pins and all sorts of other fancy stuff. I was like, I got these screws. They're pointy, right?
So there you're using the laser level just to make sure everything was
I wanted to get the hardware all in the same position. Yep.
You know what's eating me alive right now?
You got handles to the left, handles to the right. It's funky looking.
Yeah.
What's eating you alive right now?
The little space in between the sink and the cabinets in the corner.
Well, why don't we just fill it in with some spacers and call it good?
I don't think I've ever noticed it. Oh, what was that you were using to do the handle?
Another jig that allows you to set one time the distance you want from the top and from the left and right of the rail and style of the door so that you can put every single knob in the exact same place.
So I got to put all these jigs on the links below, right?
Ooh, yeah, good idea.
Jointing again? What are you jointing?
Planing. These are the slab fronts for the upper drawers.
The smaller drawers.
Yep. So these are like utensil drawer,
Yep.
Cooking implement drawer.
Correct.
Yeah. The drawer above the trash bin that houses cables of all types.
Junk drawer.
Yeah.
Oh, now it's
Oh, yeah.
getting a little toasty.
It's getting spicy in there.
I don't understand why you don't open the garage door.
I think the garage
neighbors
door
don't
was
care.
open for this
They're
project.
happy.
No, I think the garage door
No,
was
it's closed. You can see
intermittently.
it. It's
I
right
think it was
there in the back.
intermittently
The
open
white
and closed.
Who
Who
I'm going to
knows?
disagree.
Who can tell?
I think I can.
When I remember to, I do open the garage door now.
Which is usually when I come out and say,
Because
hey,
all of the neighbors have been like,
you
it's
should
fine,
open the
your
garage door. Yeah. We don't want you dying. No one
It's
does.
a little spicy.
No one.
But you know, it's kind of like going to a sauna. You know, it's cleansing.
For 9 hours? That's called death.
I'm having a cleanse. Oh, I did the same technique here.
Okay.
Right? Pressed on the drawer front, got the little divot.
Use the Craig
Use the Craig clamp.
to hold them.
Yep. And now we're setting up a paint booth.
Oh,
Yeah, painting.
painting.
It's not great.
There's a little bit of trauma around the painting because painting took you, what, like a month and a half?
Well, so it was tricky because I think there were 3 parts of my paint gun that needed to be replaced.
And you found out,
And unfortunately, it was
every
yes,
single
right. It was like I did a coat. Oh, that didn't
This
work
isn't
on
working.
3 of
Yep.
the drawers.
Okay.
Did a coat. Oh, that didn't work on 2 of them. So it just kept delaying the finishing.
Are you pretending to be in space here?
Yeah, look at my spacesuit. Clearly, I'm in space.
Or just a dirty warehouse?
No. I mean, that's easily. If that's not the space
Go
station, I
dirty
don't know what it is.
Okay.
Look at that. I got tarped off walls. That's probably what they got up there, right?
That's
Tarped off walls.
For sure what they have
Yeah.
up there. Yep.
It's all good.
You should consult for NASA. NASA, I've got someone for you.
Here I come.
Okay. So, those
Once
little
I got-
risers, I forgot about those. Those
Yeah,
were
those are
super
fantastic. Yep. They just allow you to keep your work elevated so that it's not sticking to whatever you're spraying on.
cool. Surface, yeah.
And it also, because they come to a point,
Yeah.
you know, it doesn't have to be perfectly like 100% dried and cured, and you can lay them down on there and it doesn't mess up the finish.
So another issue we ran into is that we picked a paint that took 36 days to cure.
It's 16 hours to dry in between coats. But look,
It's pretty. It's very pretty.
Came out great.
It's very pretty. You did a good job.
These are the glamour shots.
That was a great execution.
Ah.
Very pretty.
Now we have a kitchen.
Now we have
Well, half a kitchen.
coming soon.
All right. We did it. Phase 1 complete. Doors and drawers on our kitchen. No longer living in a open concept kitchen? Is that a thing? Kitchen cabinets without doors? What was the thing here for about a year and a half? Anywho, there's a bunch of links down below. All the Craig stuff that I used that was really cool, that's down there. You know, the clamps to hold on the drawer fronts, and that really cool thing that lets you drill out where you're gonna put the hinges for your doors. Very cool. I even used Craig spacers. Those spacers were Craig. They came with the little clamps. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching this one, and we'll be back at you in about a month. See you next time.